Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Epic Games name. This name right here, okay, hover over it at the top right and then click on it. You'll see this drop down of options. I want you to come here and click on account, okay? And it will redirect us to this page. And on this page, okay, we'll just wait for this. And here we see our display name, right? It's loaded up. And remember, once you change your display name, you cannot change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. Okay, this is your Epic Games display name, so I can click on this icon to go ahead and make the change. So we'll just type in our new display name, let's say Pioneer Legend. And then just toggle this one on, say that you understand. You cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks after this change. Click on confirm. Okay. Just go ahead and click on that and then just wait for Epic Games. So we're just waiting for a few seconds and there we go. Display name updated successfully. Really that easy and simple, guys. As you can see up here as well, it has changed. There you go.